Okay, let's go to understand the home tab. Okay, so in home tab, what the groups we have? First is clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cells, editing, and the add-ins, right? So let's understand one by one. I think so everyone having this table, right? We already completed this table, right? So let's go to apply the features, whatever they gave us in a top. Okay, let's go to understand one by one. First option, we have what? Clipboard. What is the meaning of clipboard? If suppose I want to copy paste and I want to cut paste, I can do that. Let me show how to do that. First, select that particular cells, whatever you want. Suppose I want this only one A and B column. Okay, I'm just copy that, and you can see there is an option copy. Just say copy and go there where you actually want to paste. See, suppose I want to paste over here and I'm going to click on paste. You can see it's directly pasted. Now we have the another option called cut paste. Suppose I want to cut that. Cut means it will be completely removing from this position, and after that we will paste to the another position. Okay, suppose I'm selecting only two cells. You can see that two cells. I want to cut that. See, going over here, cut option. See the scissor type of option over here. Click over here and just to click where exactly you want to paste. Suppose I want to paste over here. See, it's paste, and the previously where exactly that finance that it will be gone from over there and pasted over here. So that's the difference between about the copy paste. Okay, let me do a undo because I need to again as it is. So this is about the copy paste. When you are doing copy paste, this line will be it's not going. How we can remove that? This line are indicated. I want to copy that. So if I want to do in normal mode again, I need to double click on any cell. You can see it will be a removing. Okay, now let's go to the understand how to do how to use a font font group. Okay, let's go. First, we have what? The font. Font are using changes the font style. Suppose I want to change only this style. See, features are applying only where I selected the column. Okay, let me go over here. Suppose I want that particular columns or particular cells. See, apply for this one. See, is it easy? Right? Right now you can see this. My words are not taking the perfect space, right? So only the need is just double click on the top. You can see it will be take a perfect shapes. Okay, means perfect space. Now after that we have the font size. If I want to change my font size, I can do that. Just I'm selecting this one, and suppose I want to do a smaller size. See, it's a smaller size, it's a bigger size. Okay, if suppose I want to do that stuff. If suppose I want to increment by a 2, I can do that. See how we can do that? Go over here, again select whatever you want. Okay, and just say over here by a 2 increasing and by a 2 decreasing. See, and there is a number slide also. You can do whatever you want. Just I want to show that. Okay, again if suppose I want to bold something, I can do that. Always our what that column names are, the top column names are in bold method. It's, you can see it's already bold, but if suppose I want to remove that, see, it's a remove. Again, if suppose I want, just click on bold. Okay, suppose I want to italic, you can say it's a tilde one, right? If suppose I don't want, again I removing. After that, if suppose you want to underline, choose this option. See, underline is there. You get my point, right? If suppose you want to ununderline, just click over here, ununderline. Okay. Now again, previously I already borderized this table, right? Suppose I want to remove and again I want to apply. How we can do that? Go over here. Okay, this is called what? Border. See, bottom border, you can apply anything. Go over here. There is a one arrow. Click. You can see all border. If I want any kind of border, everything inside of that. Okay, suppose I want to say I don't want any border. See, there is option no bordering. Click over here. Whatever I gave previously border, it has removed. Okay, but again, I want to apply, select particular cells, whatever you want. See, I want all cells. Okay, again, I do not need to use a bottom. I don't want to be a top, left. I want everywhere. See, what is the option we have? All bordering. Okay, you can see the border is complete. Now, again, we have the this option. What? Fill color. Fill color always applying me for my background. You can see what is the fill color. Color the background of a cells to make them a standout. Okay, suppose I want only this portion I want to do. Let me use full size. I want to do a border eyes. See, there are a different color also for border eyes. Let me give to the yellow color because yellow color is we are using for many purpose. So let me apply the yellow color. After that we have the font color. Font color means what? If suppose I want to change any font color, I can do that. Okay. Suppose I want to use for finance only. I'm just selecting that, or maybe I want to mark something, someone, suppose someone person. I'm just selected that person. Go over here and you can mark as a red. So it will be easily, visible for me. Even if you want to change for all, select that, change any font color, whatever you are using your organization, and you can apply that. Okay, I want a black color right now, so I applied. Okay, after that we have the another group that's called a alignment. Alignment specifically we are using if suppose I have the word, if suppose I want to do what? I want to change the alignment of my text in inside of my cell, I can do that using what? Alignment. Okay, let me do over here so you can understand much betterly. Suppose I want to write inside of that any kind of word, suppose sentence on a word, sorry, Rohit. You can see right now my word is in middle. Okay, why? Because these two are automatically selected. If suppose I don't want my word in the middle, there is a way. Go over here, you can see right now it's a top. Okay, when I'm clicking over here, this called center. When I'm clicking over here, this means into the bottom. So three options we have. First is top, second means middle, and third one is what? Bottom. Okay, again we have the another options that's called alignment. Like if suppose I want to word right, left side, I want to word like into center, and I want to word for left side. You can see again, first we have the left side, again we have the center, and the third one is what? A right side. So this kind of a technique we have. Even if suppose I want to move a little bit right side, left side, I can do that. Let me push over here. See, if suppose I want to left side, you can see, sorry, right side, it will be right side. If suppose I want to move a left side, I can use a left side also. So right now I want everything in middle. So that's why I do what? I done the in middle and a center. So it will be correct word I have into the middle only. Okay. Again, we have the another option. If suppose I want to use like anti-clockwise, clockwise, like that, I can do that. See, like that. Sometime our word will be a like that. So we can do that. Again, let me delete it and apply for my full table. I want everything into the middle. It's already in middle. Let me click again back. Okay. See, previously the word like that. See, how it's, so I want to everything in middle, just click over here, right now it everything in middle. Okay, after that we have the another option that's called if suppose I want to merge cell. Merge cells means what? If suppose repetition are always repetition is there, we can merge that. How means the, you can see in each cell I'm writing 15 15 15 15 15%, but I want only a write one time, and I don't want even the the lines between that. So I can remove that. Go over here, you can see there is option merge and center. Means what exactly? My all cell will be a into a my all cell will be a merge, and whatever the letter I have inside of that, it will be into the middle. Okay, let me click that. You can see it mirrored there, and where we can use apply, where the repetition are repetition are there, we can use over there only. Suppose finance also there is repetition, you can see. Let me apply. Suppose in software development, there is again repetition. I can apply that. You get my point? This is called a alignment group we done. Now after that, let me do again undo. Okay. Again, let's go with the another tab that's called a number. Number always indicated which kind of data I am using inside of my cell. You can see there is a 1515. Let me select it that. You can see which kind of data I am using inside of that percentage. Let me go over here. This is called what? A normal